So we're under this 2003 Toyota Tundra. This has a 4.7 liter engine. I just noticed this right above me, some transmission cooler lines leaking. I think the guy already knows about that because he went to the store to buy oil for me to change it for him, and he has a quart of ATF. So anyways, that distracted me. I'm gonna zoom this out a hair. So to change your oil on this vehicle, you go right under the front of the vehicle, and you got the oil pan right here, and this is a drain plug. This might be original, and if I'm not mistaken, let me see, I'm gonna sound like everybody else that it's difficult to do things with one hand. All right, so that's a 14 millimeter. I'm using this style of wrench. You could use whatever you want, a ratchet or a wrench. So 14 millimeter, it drains pretty quick. You want to make sure you have the oil cap removed and the dipstick pulled up a little bit, and that'll help drain out more oil maybe, or at least make it a little quicker so there's not kind of like a vacuum going on. And then the oil filter happens to be right here in the front too, so that's fairly easy. You know, you just unscrew that and screw on the new one. Let's see what we got. The truck owner got some Mobile 1. I personally like Pennzoil much better, but this will do. That's the filter right there if you want to buy a Mobile 1 filter. And oil is 5W30. Of course, you want to try to use the best quality oil you can. I would recommend the platinum high mileage type oil.